Hey, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate to you the step-by-step that I follow to create a short scissor cut. It's more like a maintenance cut because Chris is my client, he comes with me every month. So you will see that we're not gonna take off a lot. It's just a little bit, keeping this exactly same shape that we did last time. It may be a bit challenge for barbers to just do a maintenance cut because usually we have this desire to cut more. So you grab the hair in the comb and then you see a lot of hair, you wanna cut it, right? So you have to, once the client comes with you regularly, you have to have the timing control to take off the exactly amount so you come back to the previous style. Otherwise, if you keep cutting more than necessarily, you can end up making the hair shorter than the previous haircut. So you're gonna realize during the whole step-by-step that the amount that we take off is actually it's minimum, it's like a finger length, but following the whole structure. So this step-by-step, just by watching it, because it's a demonstration step-by-step, you're gonna realize that I use simple techniques. Because scissor overcomb the back and sides, cutting by sectioning on top, really simple, connecting the top with the sides. So it's a style that is pretty common in the barbershop. Of course, if you don't have the practice, it can be difficult because you don't have the hang of it yet. But if you have the practice, just by observing the video, I think you're gonna be able to understand the process. It's been a while since we post here at YouTube. The last few years, a lot of things new happened, right? I created this channel initially with the idea of practicing my English because I was in the beginning of my studies and I wanted some project to practice, to force myself to speak. And since then, lots of things happened. And I was invited to come to Canada and I work now at Regal Grooming Lodge in Vancouver. And it's been a great experience here. We had the idea of turning this small project into something bigger, right? To create a platform where people can go and study and learn the barbering skills in a really high quality level, paying an affordable price. So that's the goal. And if you're a beginner or a learner, I recommend you to visit the website. And if something makes sense for you, it would be great to have you as a student as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it.